Alright, what's going on, everybody, and welcome. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I am Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are going to be doing a full review on this newly renovated property out here in the city of Henderson. This is a cul-de-sac, which is a very nice large cul-de-sac. Now, homes that were built in this era in 1980s, what you're going to see is that you're going to get wider streets, sidewalks on both sides, and bigger yards. Property is just less than a quarter of a block from Pecos. Then from Pecos and Warm Springs to Las Vegas Boulevard, less than 10 minutes. Airport is right there. You have nothing but shopping right down the road. Matter of fact, I live probably about 15 minutes away from here. I am actually off of Warm Springs and Las Vegas Boulevard. So this is a newly renovated property. I'm excited to show you this because I actually know the owner of this property, and they do really good jobs as far as like rehabbing the property, and we're going to critique the work here. So this home was actually built in 1987. It is 1,576 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Now, just because I know the owner of the property, right, doesn't mean I'm going to gas you guys up. I'm going to tell you how it is. As you can see where the property line starts. So it looks like the property line starts here and ends right there on that wall. Now, if you take a look, they had added gravel. Looks like they added the veneer stack stone here, which is really nice. On the exterior of the property, it looks like they did paint, which is really nice too as well. All the trims have been painted. This is again 1,576 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, okay, 2-car garage. So there's a lot of things that they had replaced there. Look at that. You got your solar sensor right here for this thing to kick on. Home is facing west. West is that way right there. So today's sunset is going to be about 7:47 today. That is correct. How do I know? Because I actually Googled it. Rain gutters. You don't get too much rain gutters anymore. You don't really see that in homes out here. All right. Love the old school charm with this brick here. Doors on the trim has been painted. It looks like these are the original doors. We do have laminate flooring, okay? Now, with the laminate flooring, just make sure, does the laminate flooring, is it water resistant? Now, typically, I like vinyl, and I would actually go luxury vinyl, because luxury vinyl is going to be water resistant. Let me shut this door here real quick. So this kind of just wraps all the way around. Let me just bring you guys all the way around here. Now remember, homes that were built in the early 80s, 90s, it's going to be very choppy like this. Now when I say choppy, it's not a bad thing, okay? Looks like they did the interior paint, 2-tone. Looks like we have, what is this, a 6-inch straight edge baseboards. All the rocker switches have been replaced. You got the original windows, still in great condition, it looks like, some of these windows here. Nice finishing. So it looks like your formal dining is going to be right here. And I like how they added some of the trim on the feature wall here. Now, the owner of this property, I actually did a video tour of their primary residence. And the wife, I forget her name. I'm so bad with names. I do apologize. She is a very great interior designer. Looks like we have a gas fireplace. So with this brick, they actually just painted it, which looks pretty good with this mantle. You know what? I have the exact same fireplace on my first flip. I might do the exact same thing. But I do like this mantle that they put on here. You know what? I might just do that just to save some money. Looks like we have the old school return here. What do we have right here? So again, you have this feature wall. I'm not too sure if they added this trim on this feature wall, or was that the original? Let's take a look at the kitchen here. So it looks like the kitchen, we have the original cabinets. Looks like they had resurfaced the cabinets here. Added all new appliances and some hardware. Wow, this is pretty creative. I can tell right now they probably knocked this out and added this glass right here. That's for sure. I love this window right here. This is really nice. You got a stainless steel dual basin sink. Let's see if they added a brand new garbage disposal. Looks like a Badger, maybe half a horsepower here. Okay. Nice backsplash. Back here we have our refrigerator, probably a 32 cubic inch on the refrigerator. You got the quartz countertops. Okay. Let's take a look at some of this pantry space here. What do we got here? It's about a 1 foot depth. You have probably what, six, 7 shelves. Okay. Let's come through these French doors. See what we got. A little sticky. Oh, okay, here we go. Fresh paint. Wow. They even painted epoxy the deck here, all the way to the side. Exterior paint, the gloss, really nice. What's great about this color paint right here, this is actually designed for the outside because it gets dusty, sometimes it gets wet. Garage door. This must be the heater. It's kind of crazy how they built the homes, huh? So this door is a little bit dried out. That's a little bit dried out, but doesn't mean you can't negotiate this. This is something that I would definitely negotiate, but it is what it is. Now let's come down this way here. Cover patio. You got plywood. Oh, look at this. They added the LED lights here too as well. You got a Yorker air conditioning unit. All the water spigots have been replaced. Got this side yard. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, in addition to that, this property is about to go on the MLS. This is the only channel that you're going to get pocket listings. What are pocket listings? It's properties that before it actually hits the market, so that way you have every opportunity. So on this stucco right here, this looks like there's a lot of water that has been splashing on here. So it looks like this stucco needs to be resurfaced, so that's something that I would definitely change. But I mean, that's not a big deal. See what else we got here. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the price on this thing. That's right. I did not tell you the price because for the price, when I tell you the price, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, are you serious? But I'm going to wait till the end on this one to tell you the price. Original cabinets, brand new toilet. Original granite countertops, it looks like. And this could be the original mirror, but they framed this in. If they did that, that was a really good job. Love that. What I love about these flip properties, you can see how creative these rehabbers are, right? And where they actually put their money to get the higher rate of return, which is great. Okay, maybe I should learn how to open a door. Okay. What? I don't know what it is about me and doors, but like, are you serious right now? You big old dummy. Okay, so this is a true two-car garage. However, you do have shelves on both sides, so now you lose that 2 feet depth on each side. So you probably could fit one large car or two small cars. Okay, looks like the furnace and air handler has been exchanged out, right? This doesn't look like the original. So on this one right here, you have the primary, the secondary. Here's your coils, and right up to your supply lines, and here's your exhaust. It's a little bit dark, so we're gonna go back inside. Don't want to spend too much time in the dark. Don't want to lose focus. All right. Let's come upstairs here. So you got laminate floors and the stairs. As we come up, we got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Original cabinet here. Original staircase with their stair rails. So we have a bathroom. Now the bathroom, as you can see, the flooring changes, and the reason why is because you can't use this flooring inside the bathroom, so they did 12 by 24 on the tile. I love this sliding glass door here. And it looks like the original tile, but they resurfaced it and did the tile above, which is really nice. Looks like the original cabinets. They added that casing around the mirror. All new hardware. All right, so now we are in the first bedroom here. I think this bedroom is going to be 10 by 10 on this bedroom here. And I love these new light fixtures. It's very thin with the LED light here. Like that. Should we go into the closet? Don't look at me. Just standard closet. Nothing special. Same thing here. Well, I noticed the windows here are white or silver. Like these are the original windows. I wonder if they replaced the windows downstairs now. I gotta go take a look. I'm curious. Okay. This is the master. Or, I'm sorry, the primary. Alright, let me see what the primary is. Primary is 14 by 12. You have a nice 10-foot sliding glass door. Here's your bathroom here, 3/4 bath. Looks like the original has been resurfaced. And you have another closet here. Let's open this thing up here. See what we got. Pretty deep, okay. And we have some more linen closet or shelving. Not bad. Not bad. I want to go take a look at this window up front here, because this thing was replaced at some time. Because I noticed now it's 2 different brands here. Now it looks like before the previous owner probably had changed this out, because it's 2 different windows. That's for sure. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing a home, we definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. This is the only channel that's going to break it down. We're going to tell you how it is. We don't fluff it, right? This is also an educational channel too as well. Teaches you how to buy a home the right way, the smart way. Look how beautiful this neighborhood is though. But look at that truck. We did do the tint on it. It's pretty dark, huh? Well guys, let me know what you think about this property in the comments below. If you can see yourselves living here. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.